Hi everybody, it's Crystal B, and I just want to invite everyone to my first Crystal Live workshop. It's going to be taking place on November the 9th at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 10:30 to 12 p.m. And we're going to be talking about Jupiter's entrance into Sagittarius, which will have just happened a few hours prior to the workshop. And we're going to talk about manifesting abundance. What does Jupiter mean? And more importantly, what does it mean in your chart? This is going to be a live workshop where I'm actually going to be looking at all of my participants' charts throughout the workshop. So it's a real opportunity to get a reading from me without having to book a full session. We're going to have a lot of fun, and I am so looking forward to having you come along to my first live workshop. So again, it is Friday, November the 9th at 10:30 to 12 p.m. We're going to be doing it via video live. I would just need you to give me your birth information and your time of birth and time and day, a place where you were born, so I can prepare beforehand. But we're going to talk about what the Jupiter in Sagittarius cycle means and what it's going to mean specifically for you. Any questions at all, please shoot me an email, info@crystalbastrology.com. I definitely am looking forward to seeing everybody. I can only accept a few participants, so please email me if you're interested so I can reserve your spot. Again, it's going to be a lot of fun and a lot of insight. I promise that you'll walk away armed and dangerous with what Jupiter in Sagittarius means for you. Bye-bye, guys.